Sun Cruisers are some of the most popular ready-to-drink cocktails you can buy that are also low in calories. But which ones are worth buying? Today we're going to be ranking every one that we could find from the store from S to F tier. And if you stick around to the end, we'll tell you which one of the packs is worth buying. We are starting with Classic Lemonade. I won't say anything until she sipped on it so we can both make a decision.
That's lemonade. No.
Yeah. Pretty decent lemon flavor. It doesn't strike me off the bat as artificial.
Thing that I've always appreciated about Sun Cruisers is that they don't feel so alcohol-y.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Like when you drink a spirit, you feel like the breath of it. I like that these don't feel that way, which is probably not very safe because you are like not considering how much alcohol you're consuming when you drink these, like if you're not careful. But I like this one. It's pretty standard lemonade flavor.
I will say on that note, they are 4.5%, which means they're just a little bit less than one shot per can. So if you're thinking about it in terms of how much vodka is in there, it would be a little bit less than 1.5 ounces, which is the normal amount.
I would rank it B.
I think I'm going to go with you with a B because it's not like outstanding. It's not blowing my mind. It's just lemonade. Moving on rapidly to pink lemonade. Do you know what fruit is usually used to make pink lemonade pink?
Pink.
Typically, it is raspberry, so it should taste a little bit like raspberry.
It just tastes like lemonade, but it has a little bit of a pink flavor.
See, my thing is, since I primed myself to know that it's supposed to taste like raspberry, I feel like I got a little extra berry flavor out of it. And for that reason, I think I would actually give that an A because I think it's an improvement on just typical lemonade, which, you know, it's hard to go wrong with the typical lemonade. So I would much rather drink that one over this, but again, it's not like blowing me out of the water. It's just really good.
I'm gonna go with B. It is marginally better, but I still, like, B isn't bad to me. I think it's a good one. I think it's somebody's preference. It's not my love. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense. That's totally fine. So far, both of these are B.
Yes.
Okay. Next up is strawberry lemonade.
This is interesting. This does not taste like a strawberry to me. It tastes like lemon. Oh, it definitely smells like strawberry.
I will say the aftertaste on this tastes more like strawberry once it's sat for a bit. Really not liking this one as much as the others.
I think it's pretty good. No, I lied. It definitely does taste like strawberry. Just like next to the pink lemonade, it kind of threw me off a little bit. But it definitely tastes like strawberry. It definitely tastes like lemon. So the description is accurate, if that makes sense. It doesn't taste so artificial to me.
Okay.
I would give that an A.
That's funny because I like that a lot less than pink lemonade. I felt it tasted more artificial than the pink lemonade, so I would put that down. If I was given this, I would definitely drink it. I feel like C is teetering on that line where it's like, I don't even care to drink this. I don't care to drink this. So, you said A?
I would say A. If I had a lineup of those three, I'd pick the strawberry.
I'm gonna go with a B. I feel like I'm being a little bit nice on it because I actually don't like it a ton, but it's not like bad. Alright, blueberry lemonade. I'm actually pretty interested in this one. Wow, that smells a lot more like real berry. This actually smells like blueberry muffin.
It tastes like what blue tastes like. I would say, like, it smells like what you would expect, like, a blue Powerade to smell like. I had higher expectations for this, and I think it's because I'm obsessed with blueberry right now. But I would give that a C.
That's funny. My opinion is I like that just as much as pink lemonade. After you mentioned the blue flavor, I feel like it still smells like a good amount like blueberry. The flavor is less. It does honestly kind of taste like a blue Powerade. Like, it tastes really refreshing, honestly, and I'm inclined to give it an A for that reason. All right, well, we just made it through the lemonade pack, so what are your thoughts on the lemonade pack?
I think it's pretty good. I think if you're in the mood for a lemonade that also has vodka in it, you know, and you're also concerned about calories, these are probably a really great option for you.
Now we're going to move on to the iced tea lineups. There are two different boxes. So they have their standard iced tea and they have white tea over here. So, of course, we're gonna go with classic iced tea first. Gotta get your pocket spoon. I went the wrong way.
Classic iced tea. Yeah.
That tastes remarkably like in Arizona or something.
Yeah. Love.
Here's my thing. I don't like tea, so I think for the rest of the video, I'm just gonna take your opinion. If I was a usual tea drinker, I think that would have been really solid. My wife is the person to talk to about it, so what do you think?
I think if you were looking for a hard iced tea, that's literally exactly what you're looking for. And I give that S.
S?
S tier. And that is exactly a tea. I don't even taste the alcohol. It tastes just like tea, which, like I said, is dangerous.
Probably.
But I think it's wonderful. I think it's great.
People know that they're drinking alcohol with this. And also, let me just give one more reminder. It is lower proof, so it's going to take you quite a bit to drink 12 ounces of tea, I would think. But, of course...
Drink responsibly.
Drink responsibly.
Please.
Half and half, which is half lemonade and half tea.
This one is a little weird.
Yes.
Tea and lemonade, they're like competing beverages. When you mix them together, they make this like bitter flavor. And I find that, but once again, I still love it. I don't care. I think if you throw in the alcohol there, it makes both of them want to fight a little bit more. It's like making both of the girlies a little more reckless. They want to fight. I'm gonna give this an A though, just because there's a weird little bitter thing that happens with lemonade and iced tea, and the alcohol just makes it a little bit more sharp.
I would agree. I think the combination of both of those things made it taste more artificial to me. Raspberry iced tea. I'm actually pretty excited for this one because I have had raspberry iced teas before that I've liked. It smells very loud of fruit. Kind of impressed it smells that. It's that much aromatic. I actually like that.
It smells very much like raspberry.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
But you don't like it. That's funny.
It tastes like water to me.
I think I like it more because I taste more raspberry than tea.
Here's an experiment that I did as a kid. Maybe I was just big. I would have a lollipop and I would want to extend the flavor of the lollipop, so I would dunk it in water. I would sip the water. So it tastes like water with like the tiniest little faintest bit of like sugar.
So you're saying it's like really diluted in flavor?
Very diluted.
Which is really strange because it is very aromatic. On the nose it smells more like anything than the other ones, but I do agree that it is more diluted flavor.
This reminds me of the experience that you get when you're drinking like a seltzer, where the smell is very strong, but the flavor is different. It's deceiving. I am not pleased with this one. I'm gonna give it a D.
D.
I'm gonna give it a D.
That's fair. Like, you would never find me being like, can I get one of those Sun Cruiser raspberry iced teas?
Like, of the tea line, you would pick that one?
So far, I think so. Peach iced tea. Now here's the problem. I like peach flavor a lot, so my opinion is a little skewed already.
It smells very strong of peach, and you know what? I recently ate my first peach. It definitely has the right peach smell. Peach has such a delicate flavor. I think this captures the peach flavor very beautifully.
I still feel like it has that diluted flavor going on.
I don't think so. I think it has a nice balance of peach and iced tea. I think this is beautiful.
That's definitely my favorite of the iced tea lineup.
I'm gonna give this S.
S?
This is another S for me. I think it perfectly captures the peach flavor, and it has the tea itself is so nicely, it complements the peach flavor very well. I think that's wonderful.
Okay, so this is the white tea lineup. I only found this for the first time recently. I didn't know that they had this lineup, so pretty interested to try it. So this one right here is peach white tea. This one is more aromatic with the peach.
I can definitely taste the peach, but the white tea is weird.
I can't say that I've had white tea before, so I'm not fully knowledgeable, but I think it imparts a more distinct flavor than the iced tea in these. I heard white tea and I was like, oh, that sounds like it would be more neutral. No, it definitely has more of its own tea flavor.
It has a stronger flavor than the regular iced tea line. Over time, I enjoy it more. Like, I wasn't sure what I was expecting flavor-wise, you know? So, with that being said, I think it's still very good. So I'm going to give that a B.
I'm going to push this one forward because we said that that was our favorite. We'll come back to the other ones. Berry Hibiscus White Tea. It smells delicious. Lightly sweet. It smells like blackberries specifically. And a little bit floral.
It smells like hibiscus.
That one smells the best out of all of them.
I'm ready. I'm so excited.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. It's a little more bitter than I was expecting it to be.
Maybe a touch.
A little bit. But flavor, out of this world.
Yeah, that's an S for sure.
S, 100%. You can definitely taste the hibiscus in it. You can definitely taste the berry in it. Definitely matches what it's describing there. Mm-hmm. And like I mentioned, none of these taste like alcohol. I'm very biased, and I think just because the word hibiscus is on there,
you were predetermined to like it.
I was predetermined to like it.
I don't think I ever would have sought out the flavor hibiscus. I've never had it, and I do think that is an S, even from my own opinion, and I don't even like the tea lineup very much, so I think this is like super, super strong, like very good. So I don't think it's like, oh, my biases are getting the best of me. No, that's really good.
Maybe I just like good flavors.
Yeah. See, now I do have bias for this one, which is passion fruit. I like passion fruit very much. I found that out recently. Does not smell like passion fruit. It smells more like pineapple.
You got a good poker face, because I could not tell if you liked it. Off the rip, it smells more alcoholic.
You can't see this, but she went like that.
To me, this tastes like perfume.
That tastes like they really tried to make a pina colada without knowing what a pina colada was. It tastes a lot more like generic tropical fruit to me than passion fruit. Like, we have passion fruit syrup in our fridge right now. I know what passion fruit tastes like. It doesn't taste like that. I'm critical because if they had said tropical iced tea, I would have been like, great. But I don't think it matches the description very well.
I don't like this. I'm gonna give it a D.
Oh, what don't you like about it that much?
I don't know if you've accidentally got perfume in your mouth, but that's exactly what it tastes like. Mm-hmm. Can I just say I actually kind of want to put it in an F. I have to put something there, and I would not reach for that. If I saw the lineup there, I would be like, put that away.
This one's the worst.
Yes.
All right, this is our last one on the lineup. This is Blackberry White Tea. Again, I do like blackberry, so this smells like something familiar.
Could it be
Give
blackberry?
Could it be Blackberry White Tea? It could be. That's so familiar.
It smells like purple.
Grape Gatorade.
I would say so.
So this one's blue Gatorade, that one's grape Gatorade.
This is very good.
Yeah.
This is very good.
I like that very much.
I like this very much as well. I can't like it more than hibiscus. But it's very good. I would give that one another S.
Well, that was all the packs. So I do want to go back and try to make a distinction of which one was the best from each pack. Which one of these is the best of the lemonades? Classic's definitely not the best.
No, I'm going to say classic.
You think it's classic?
I'm going to say classic is the best.
I am going to say pink lemonade because it tastes like raspberry. Genuine, real raspberry to me. So we've picked a few favorites.
There's definitely some good ones in each pack. Put classic forward. If you had to pick two from each pack, definitely berry hibiscus and blackberry. Mm-hmm. Peach iced tea and classic iced tea, and then lemonade and pink lemonade.
Mm-hmm. So we've gotten to the big decision of the episode. Which one of these packs is the best? So you have the lemonade, the iced tea, and the white tea lineup. I don't think it's a very easy choice. Like, for example, these two are probably some of the better flavors of the lineup, but this one is so off-putting that it kind of gives me a little pause to make this the recommendation, whereas the other ones had really solid flavors, but none were super stand-outish as, like, excellent.
I agree with you on the white tea. I feel like it would come out a lot higher if that passion fruit wasn't in there.
Which one would I feel the most confident bringing to a party that would be really standard enjoyed by a large audience?
Well, if you're basing that off of that, I think lemonade would be the better option, just because not too many people are tea fans. Though, I'm a tea fan. I would drink the lemonade, but I would be like, I know there's iced tea ones there, and it makes me sad. I would not recommend this one to bring to a party. Like, if you're gonna, bring some drinks to a party, or, like, do some type of fun activity where you're having a group of people, I think that one would not be very much of a crowd pleaser.
This one's definitely more out there with the flavor of the tea.
I think it needs to be an acquired taste. So, if you know, like, okay, the girly pops love the white tea, like, get it, So I'd be split between iced tea and lemonade. The iced tea would be my winner. Mm-hmm. I am biased. I don't like lemonade as much as most people.
So, in my opinion, I do think that the lemonades would be the most crowd pleasing. I think, obviously, it's going to depend on your own audience, and you just need to know your audience. And as always, salud.
Salud.